Hello viewers, hope all of you are well. In this video, I will show you how to remove HDD from Lenovo C340 all-in-one PC. First of all, you will back up all the data from your hard drive, then you will remove. I am backing up the data from my hard drive. Data backup should be taken from all the partitions of the hard drive. Here you can see there are 4 partitions. I will back up data from each partitions. C drive is very important drive. There can be a lot of data here. For instance, desktop, document, download, picture and video. Of course, you should be backup. After completing backup, I will remove hard drive. Without opening the stand of the computer, we can remove the hard drive by standing it like this. We will take a rubber remover. For that, there is no scratch on the computer. So you can do that like me. Here you see the hard drive, so we will remove it. You don't do that, you will do this process. It will remove easily. And another way, you will lay down your PC on the surface and you will not do that. You will do press from front part and remove lock and press backward. It will remove easily. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have benefited from this video, please don't forget to subscribe this channel and stay tuned. Thank you.